After the police exhumed the remains of Quadri Ogunbode, the 28-year-old Lasu student who was declared missing weeks ago, the family of the victim is seeking justice. The father, Idowu Ogunbode, spoke to TVC News about his pains and challenges, calling on government to ensure that justice is served on the matter. The 54-year-old bricklayer said his son was a promising young man who combined business with his education and was determined to uplift the standard of the family through his entrepreneurship spirit, but his life was cut short. The father says the police has deposited the body of his son at the mortuary and asked him to go and take it for burial, but he could not raise any money again as he has sold his car and everything he has during the search for the boy when he was missing. On this case, I have sold my car when I had nothing on me and nobody was there to help. Even now, I am planning to sell my land because I am in need of money to collect his body from the mortuary. People say government is supposed to help us, but here we are. Now I am looking for a buyer for my land so that I can get money to take his corpse from the mortuary for burial. The younger brother, Taiwo Ogunbode, says the death of his brother has created a vacuum in the family.
As what they said, they killed him first before they started withdrawing the money. They did 70,000 naira to that pastor after they withdrew money from my brother's accounts. So I'm very sure the pastor knows something about it. He's just denying. So I want justice for my brother.
Earlier, the National Association of Ogun State Students and the National Association of Nigerian Students Ogun Joint Campus have called on the Inspector General of Police to take over the case as they allege that one of the suspects have a relative who is a senior police officer.
This case is a clear case of murder, and we believe that since the police arrested the main suspect and charged Shepherd, investigation should have led to the arrest of the fleeing suspect. As students leaders, we shall resist any attempt by the sent hand to wield their influence to tamper with the investigation, exonerating our nephew.
The student leaders expressed hope that with proper investigation and monitoring, everybody involved in the killing will be unveiled and justice will be served.
I am saddened by his death. He was such a promising child, full of assistance. He never disturbed us. He has his handwork. He rendered assistance. I am pained by his death. I want government to help and punish all those who are involved. I am not forgiving anyone involved in his death. All those involved must be brought to justice. That is what I want from the government.
Thank you.
So you don't worry yourself. Everything will be okay. Sit down.
My name is Comrade Ayomide Adebobola, popularly known as Jody, the Student Union President, Lagos State University.
Okay, what's your reaction now that finally it's not a case of missing persons? Now we know that, unfortunately, he's been killed. What's your reaction to what the police has done so far, and what are your demands?
Well, we appreciate the effort of the police in getting to the root of this matter. But the student community are sad and agitated, and what we are demanding is full justice for Olas. All the people involved in his killing must face justice. They must face the wrath of the law in full force, and no stone must be left unturned. We, the student community, we are standing with Olas. Olas is an easygoing individual. He has never been involved in any fight or anything that can... He has never been involved in any issue. And what we are demanding, Olas has a shop on campus where he runs educational consults. So we know him very well. He has a source of income. We are demanding full justice for Olas. This matter must not be swept under the carpet. All the people that are involved in the killing of Olas must face the full wrath of the law. We will be doing constant follow-up on this issue, and we will not give up until justice is served.
Those are the local government, are you? Yes. I thought they were their chairman. Those are the local government, are you? Yes. I thought they were their chairman. So I've allowed as many crowd as possible here. Come. Huh? Where's the sign? You said there's a sign. This one? There's a sign somewhere. Right.
Why not come back? We should come back to this city.
No, I think you are not allowed to use please.
Hello? Hello?
Captain. Everybody in your pocket. That man wearing Ankara, he has been recording things.
Let him leave that place.
You don't even know the man. Hello, Dr. Review. Hello, sir. Dr. Review. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣá lè rí glove lọ́dọ̀ nínú.
Hand block lọ́dọ̀ a fẹ́ lò with respect to mi ò mọ ẹni tó wà gbà ṣé kọ́ wà gbà ń sìn ó fi lẹ́ẹ̀kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣé kí ní kọ́ni kan wá ń sìn.
Ṣé ẹ rí mẹ́yẹn ni? Wọ́n ní lójú
Full of transport. No, we fẹ́ pé ní ọ́fíìsì
Admin.
Hello, Derogi. Derogi. Hello. Ó yá lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ director health service. Ṣùgbọ́n health services Dr. Ibi tí mo ní kó lọ gba hand glove wá lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Ó yá sáré lọ sí kó gbé kan ní mọ́tò tó wà lọ́fíìsì kó sáré lọ nísinsìnyí. Kó máa ń bọ̀ wá bá wa ní ibi ẹ̀yìn transport. Ibi ẹ̀yìn transport níbi site tí ibi student yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó yá sáré.
Leave them.
Of you. Yes. All of you. So after the share money, how many were you?
There were 5 that day.
Okay. After the share money, they all moved to the church for.
Some went home.
Is it night vigil?
It was night vigil.
Okay, who and who went with you to the church?
Me, Ola
Speak
Oluwa.
louder.
Me.
Hold on. The video they cut. Maybe I don't get it. Okay, you are who?
Me, Ola Oluwa, Deniola, Aliami, and yes, Abramo, yes.
Well, he's not following. You went home. Is it that immediately you transfer money to him? Why did you transfer 70,000 to him?
It was in the morning.
After you share money?
After the vigil.
The vigil was held on the what?
Yes, on
the 17th. Yes. Okay, you now transfer money to this man.
I transfer 70,000 to him.
On the 18th.
On the 7th, that 17th.
The same night that the money was shared.
Yes.
At what time did you send money to him?
It's around 4 or 5. Let's say around 5. Yes.
In the morning. At what time did they? What time did they block the boy?
None of the time they blocked the boy because I met them here around.
Which date 10. You met them here?
That was on the 16th.
On the 16th.
Yes, I
okay,
met
you
them
now.
Here around 10.
Is it not that same on this? Hold on. Is it not that same on the 16th? You worked for the VG.
And now the VG was 16/17th.
Okay. So as you close on the VG, now you transfer the money to him.
Yes. After that, I went to.
After that, you went to work. Which account did you transfer the money through?
Sir?
Which account did you use to transfer the money?
I'm not the one that transferred it.
To him?
My OP account.
Your OP account, that's what you use to transfer to him. Okay. As you now enter church, what was my discussion? What was my prayer request?
Normal prayer. Normal
you are your God.
Sir?
You are your God.
No, it's normal prayer service church, sir.
Did you ever tell the prophet that see what happened or see what happened?
Not at all, sir.
You did not tell him?
Yes, sir.
But all of you just walk and enter the church. But you know, say here now, church premises.
I know, sir. Me, I do normally come to the church.
Do you know, say here now, where we visit a scene of crime, it affects the owner of the church?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. No problem. Another man.
If you know about it, if she doesn't know about it, then we know that justice must surely take its course. So I want to assure you that one, the case is not the case of a missing person. We are investigating the case of suspected murder. Why we didn't call it outright murder is because the body has not been found. If the man will find the body, it's purely a case of murder. Now the pastor that is being alleged that is where the body of the victim was buried is. Then one other suspect that money was taken from the account of the victim into his own account is equally with us. Then the last person that have contact with the principal suspect is equally with us. Then including the woman that I've mentioned. So I want to assure you that as the state have directed that church is closed down.
Jamin.
Yes, now.
Jamin.
I'm just giving the direction now.
Okay,
sir. Tomorrow is Sunday. So whether it is closed down or not, by tomorrow you will know.
I will even know.
Evidence that what the CP said is correct or it's not correct. I'll send that guy this year. I hope they have arrived there. So in addition to that, we are equally sent sniper dogs. Dogs that can locate if the suspect, the victim is buried anywhere they buried it. Even if he was taking them, because we have an allegation that the boy was removed from there and taken to another location. The sniper dog can trace the route for witness. So I want you to be fully assured of justice in this matter. Then one additional thing is that the student body will give us two representatives that will be part of the investigation, so that every action that police will be able to follow that. Then we are going to open up a police student desk.